If you are a tea lover, there is nothing more comforting than a piping hot cup of tea after a long, tiring day. Be it morning, afternoon, or evening, a cup of tea comforts you like a warm hug with each sip. Tea is such a popular drink in India that it can easily be labeled as the national drink of our country. Apart from milk tea, there are a number of different tea variants that are consumed by people all around the world. From green tea and black tea and hibiscus tea, there are uncountable tea varieties, each having its own list of benefits. If you too are a tea lover, then make sure that you don't combine these food items while drinking tea. Iron rich veggies. Foods that are loaded with iron, a nutrient that is not compatible with tea. This is because tea contains tannins and oxalates, which block the absorption of iron from iron loaded foods. These compounds can bind iron with them, which prevents their absorption in the blood. You must also avoid pairing iron rich foods like nuts, green leaf vegetables, grains, lentils, and cereals with tea. Lemon tea. Lemon tea is used as a popular weight loss drink and is widely consumed by people in the morning. Tea leaves, when combined with lemon juice, can make the tea acidic and might cause bloating. Lemon tea can also cause problems like acid reflux and heartburn if consumed on an empty stomach in the morning. If you already suffer from acidity, it is best to avoid this tea altogether. Pairing up tea with pakore or namkeen is a common thing that most of us do. Tea time snacks are mostly made with besan, that is gram flour, or some other flour that might not have side effects on some people. Eating besan products while drinking tea might lead to some digestive issues, and this combination also reduces the body's capability of absorbing the number of nutrients derived from them, so it's best to have them occasionally. Next, turmeric. Foods that contain turmeric should be avoided while drinking tea, as this too can cause stomach problems like gas, acidity, or constipation. Turmeric and tea leaves are not compatible with one another and might clash, causing a disruption. Never pair any cold food with hot tea, as it can disrupt the digestion process. Consuming foods of different temperatures together can weaken the digestive process and might make you nauseous. Avoid having anything cold for at least 30 minutes after drinking warm tea. Thank you. Have a nice day.